Hello everyone, this is a daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience, and let's go ahead quickly and get this banner. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Watch this video with 1.5x speed because I talk a bit slow in English, and it will save you time. Subscribe to the channel if you want and comment below your thoughts. So let's go ahead from a monthly, weekly. Yesterday on our weekly update we said that monthly, as you can see, we're continuing this bearish momentum. We have strong bearish in the first 2 weeks, and yesterday we said that I would expect a wick to be formed somewhere right over here of this week and then continue to the downside, forming something like this. But based on the news, we need to wait for the news. We have news this week a lot, especially on the US dollar. Let's go and see. You can see tomorrow we have, so today I expect CPI on and PPI on Thursday, so I expect the first day of the week to come up, form a wick. We haven't formed that wick yet, and then as soon as we break these lows after that wick form, we should be good to go down. If the news will affect gold in that way. For our daily closed bearish on Friday, now we made a wick to the downside. We can come up, flip, and continue to the upside to form that weekly wick that we're expecting. On a 4-hour, we found some sort of support. We need to wait for this candle to close, but I believe we found some sort of support here. And then basically we are in a range on the 4-hour. This is the range. I expect price to come up, break this, come till here somewhere, form that weekly wick, and then flip, and then continue to the downside, something like this. But for this London session that we're gonna go on the live stream also, we found already some sort of support in 2-hour time frame. In the 1-hour time frame, we found also some sort of support. Break the highs, perfect support here. Let me just clean these two and then move this support level to this here. Let's clean this because now are irrelevant. And I would not prefer to trade inside this range, even though this 100 pip range, because we already at the moment I would maybe take a buy on the break of the highs here to continue till here or till here, and then officially till here. But now we already cleaned that move, so there's nothing to trade at the moment. But what I would expect is either price come up, find some sort of resistance, and then break the resistance, or break these, make a U-turn set up to the upside. Or if we tend to close here and then break the highs, I would anticipate price to come up at least to this level, and then originally to this level right over here. That's what I'm expecting on gold. I would not prefer to take sells on gold today because of I don't think price will break the support today. But if we have some sells, if we break below, close below, and then break the low of the breakout candle, I would take sells, obviously, because that's what I'm looking for the whole week ahead, to take sells. But I would not prefer that advice, especially after this jump up on the pre-London time frame. Let's go on 30 minutes. On 30 minutes we're already having this rejection here, so I think we're just gonna bounce from in this range for a bit. And yeah, let's go on GJ. I'm gonna go in the live stream also, so you can go ahead and check the live stream for any update. Now weekly starting to reject a bit, just like I mentioned on the weekly update. Gold weekly already filled, almost filled this wick. I talked about this. After creating a wick, we can come up and fill this whole wick, but I didn't expect this to be happen pre-London, to be honest. Already finished by pre-London. Daily time frame after the Friday bearish candle, we're now retracing back up in this range. We are in this big range on daily and 4-hour time frame, so we're already creating this. But if we don't break the previous daily highs at any point, we can come up, reject, and come to a downside, fill the wick on the downside also. 4-hour, this is where the price was on the weekly update. I said that we can come up, and after we break this range, we can come up to this previous resistance. We're already filled that also, so this was the trade that could potentially be a perfect trade. Break of the highs here, current candle or previous candle for 60 pip, take profit. On the 2-hour time frame, we're not showing any signs of weakness, so we need to be very cautious, because obviously this is a very huge rejection zone here, and we can never take for granted the first breakout. As you can see, we had a breakout, but then immediately back in the range. We had a wick and then immediately back in the range. I would look also for that today. If we have a breakout here, I'm gonna be very cautious on buys, because we don't have a lot of clean traffic, but I'm gonna look for confirmation for buys or for a possible deviation to take some sells right over here, because every time we come up to this level inside this range, we went quite quickly down, as you can see, to test the bottom of the range. So I'm gonna look for that also, but obviously we need to wait and see how the price develops. We need to wait for pure rejections for sells. We need to find for pure confirmation for buys, because this is a tricky area, and I don't want in the London session on a Monday to take a loss. So I'm gonna be very cautious. We have a very long day ahead. There are gonna be a lot of setups to be played out. Yeah, gold is on a range. I'm gonna put some alerts at the top and at the bottom of the range. Same for GJ. Maybe I'm gonna put an alert here just in case to manage the rejections. And yeah, that's about it for today's update. Hope this video is helpful, and I see you guys on tomorrow on the pre-NY update, and then on the daily roundup. But I'm also gonna be live streaming today, so hop on that if you see this video and want to check the real updates. Thank you.